What's going on, man? My name is Dave, and if you've been struggling to talk to girls, well, today, we gon' fix that. Let's be real, everyone's been cooped up in their houses, on the couch with the blanket watching Netflix. You haven't been outside talking to people, so your social skills may have waned over the past year, but that doesn't mean you can't get out there and talk to girls like a boss right now. And in this video, that's exactly what we're gonna be talking about. I'm gonna give you 5 strategies you can use right now to go out there and talk to girls the right way. So, let's get into it. Number 1, make an observation. Now listen, bro, there are plenty of great places to meet girls. The gym, the mall, the park, heck, even the sidewalk or the grocery store. In every single one of these places, you can use situational observations to get that conversation started. So, for example, if y'all are in the grocery store, you can point out the Cookie Crisp and say, hey, you can't go wrong with Cookie Crisp. If y'all are in the park and she's listening to headphones, you can say, hey, I see you over here jamming out to music. I'm looking for something new for my playlist. What do you recommend? If you see her at the gym, you can say, hey, I see you over here crushing your leg workouts. I've been trying to add some good ones to my routine. What do you recommend? And if you don't have anything to go off of, like you're all just walking down the street, you see her on the sidewalk, and you have to say what's up, then just have this. Just say, hey, you know what? I know this is super random, but I thought you were cute and I wanted to say hi. I've used this hundreds, probably even thousands of times. Works like a charm. The main thing you gotta remember is to start the conversation, because once you do that, that's how you're gonna start improving. You're gonna get more comfortable in these social situations, and you're gonna get better once you're actually in the conversation. So go up, start it, see how you do. Number 2, crack a joke and make her laugh. Girls love when a guy can make them laugh. That's why you always want to tease girls throughout the conversation. Not the whole time, but you do want to sprinkle in some nice teases throughout. Now, my dad is a comedian. Most of his act is crowd work. Basically, he'll pick on someone in the crowd, tease them a little bit, and everybody cracks up. And I've kind of grew up going to his shows, so I saw him in action, and I started using some of those same techniques in my conversations with girls. Funny enough, this helped me become a lot better with women, so thanks, Dad. But yeah, teasing is a great way to set yourself apart from all the sissy nice guys who are just kissing up to her the whole time. Plus, it's a great way to make the conversation nice and flirty as well. The key thing to remember whenever you're teasing a girl though is to keep it light and playful, not some super serious thing. You're not trying to offend her, you're just trying to lighten the mood and let her know that, hey, like you like to play around, you like to have some fun. Number 3, use the right topics. A good conversation topic should do at least one of 3 things. First, it should build the connection and make her feel like she knows you better. To do this, you can talk about topics like her dreams, her experiences, and things she loves to do. Second, it helps you to push the date forward by helping you to escalate things and flirt with her. So to do this, you can talk about topics like her favorite music, what she finds sexy in a guy, and some of her favorite adventures she's been on. Third, it handles the logistics. So in other words, it helps you to resolve any issues or time frames that would stop you from taking her home or seeing her again. These are topics like what she's doing tomorrow, like maybe she has to wake up super early or something like that, what part of town she lives in, and even what she's up to later this week, so you could potentially start planning out another date. If the conversation topic doesn't do at least one of these 3 things, it's probably not a good topic and you shouldn't use it. And number 4, you gotta make that eye contact. Whenever you're talking to a girl, you should be maintaining eye contact around 70% of the time, and you could look away for around 30% of the time, so that's not like too overly intense all the time. This is gonna show confidence, and it's gonna help her to perceive you as more attractive, which is obviously a good thing. The key here though is that your face needs to be in tip-top shape, and in order for you to be doing that, you need an uncomplicated, simple skincare routine. And that's where Tiege Hanley comes into play. They have an awesome daily skincare routine with an AM and PM moisturizer to make sure your skin stays hydrated throughout the day and night. They also have a twice a week exfoliating scrub to make sure you're looking fresh and clean. And they even have a daily face wash. This is all part of their level 1 skincare system, which I use every single day. Now, if you want to take it even further, and let's say you're getting, signs of aging or maybe even crow's feet, that's when you can consider upgrading to their level 3 skincare system. This also includes their eye cream and their firming serum. I've been using Tiege Hanley for a year and a half now, and I cannot recommend it enough. I use it every single day and love it. Number 5, listen and relate. A lot of guys don't actually even have conversations with women. They just wait for the girl to stop talking so they can talk at her. Don't do this, bro. Instead, actually listen to what she's saying. The things she's saying are gonna help you to get to know her better, and they're also gonna allow you to relate back to her with stories and things from your own life. So if she says you like to cook, you can ask her about what types of food she likes to cook and tell her, hey, I've actually, been really into cooking lately too, been trying to cook up a bunch of healthy meals for myself. If she says she likes music, you can ask her what some of her favorite bands and genres are, and you can share some of your favorites as well. You can also tell her about that time you tried to learn salsa dancing and see if she's ever tried to learn any type of dancing herself. Now, bro, if you can do these 5 things, talking to girls is gonna feel easier than ever, and they're gonna be attracted like that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go out there, start talking to girls, start crushing the game. Now, if you want to check out some more of Teach Hamley's videos, you can check this out over here. If you want to check out some more of Teach's awesome products, you can check this out over here. And I will see you in the next video, bro. Peace.